In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT for SEO keyword research. Let's get started. I begin by navigating to the chatgpt.com homepage and clicking on the main text area that says, Ask Anything. I type in a prompt asking ChatGPT to generate 50 high-potential SEO keywords for a personal finance blog, grouped by search intent like informational, commercial, and transactional. I also ask it to identify low competition opportunities and target keywords for fast organic growth. Once finished, I click the circular black Send Prompt button. The system begins generating a structured response in real time. It starts with informational intent, organizing keywords into categories like budgeting and saving, debt management, investing, and personal finance basics. It lists highly targeted search terms for each, including how to create a monthly budget, how to pay off debt fast, and investing for beginners. Next, it generates a section for commercial intent, grouping keywords under banking, investing platforms, and credit cards, displaying specific comparison terms like best online banks and best investing apps for beginners. It then creates a transactional intent list for users ready to act, featuring keywords like open a high-yield savings account and apply for beginner credit card. Following this, ChatGPT formats the best low-competition opportunities into a clean table, detailing specific keywords and the reasons why they are good for ranking. It concludes with a list of the top 10 keywords to target first for fast organic growth and outlines a brief 30-day content plan summary. I scroll down to review the entire response. To build on this information, I click the input field at the bottom and type a follow-up prompt. Based on these keywords, create a 30-day content plan with blog post titles, target keywords, search intent, and content ideas optimized for SEO. I then click the Send button. The system immediately generates a comprehensive 30-day personal finance content plan table with columns for the day: blog post title, target keyword, search intent, and content ideas. It populates the plan week by week, covering week 1 for budgeting, week 2 for financial foundations, week 3 for debt and credit, and week 4 for investing and monetization. It schedules unique blog titles and SEO details for all 30 days. Finally, it highlights the highest priority posts to publish first and provides a complete SEO optimization checklist for every post, detailing elements like keyword, placement image tags, and text lengths. I scroll through to review the finalized data ready to use. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.